Assalamu alaikum students. Today is your first class of computer science. So let's discuss the structure of the course a little bit. Okay, so the course name is computer science and the code of the course is 2210. So there are two papers of this course. First is P1 paper 1 and the name of the course is Theory of Computer Science. And the total marks of this paper are 75 and the maximum time to complete this paper is 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, the main topics include in this paper first is data representation, second is communication and internet technologies, third is hardware and software, and the fourth security, fifth is ethics. Okay, so these subtopics are also included, you can see here. Okay, and actually these are the topics you have studied in previous classes also. Okay, so now second paper is P2 paper 2, practical problem solving and programming. So the total marks of this paper are 50 and the maximum time to solve this paper is 1 hour 45 minutes. And the main topics include algorithm design and problem solving, second is programming, third is databases. Okay, so books you will study in this course are, first book is David Watson book and the second is Donald Scott book. Okay, actually there are a lot of books in the market, but I will refer to study these two books. I will also share some websites for your self study, and apart from this we will also solve the past papers so that we will get an idea of how to solve questions in O-level exam. Okay, so P1 paper, paper 1 is a little easier as compared to P2 paper 2. Okay, paper 2 is a logical paper based on in programming type question answers, in which you have to create algorithm, pseudocodes, flowcharts, or different value that you are to be done in a flowchart or programs to get an answer. And database question answers are also included in this paper. So we will meet inshallah in the next class and we'll start the first chapter of P1 paper. Okay, Jazakallah.